Those guys giving us a Tier 2 GunvsGun Nerf War Master. Now look at the thumbnail. Tommy had a very big gun, a modern Mastodon. Just to let you know that. Alright. Pizza Hut. Yeah, pizza. What's he got in mind this time?
Perfect spot.
Oh, Nerf gun.
Time to set up shop.
Oh, he's setting a pizza trap for Tommy. Oh, mommy's pizza. I love pizza. Oh, he's gonna miss. He's gonna hit the pizza. Called it. I called it. Completely missed. Right for him.
Did you just shoot my pizza? Wait.
You don't shoot a man's pizza.
I meant to shoot you, man. You shot my pizza.
You're a dead man.
They didn't specify the distance for this thing.
Your
I know
aim.
the range is very covered.
It's your
Why
aim.
didn't you put this in the box?
It's your aim. Yeah.
You stupid Nerf gun.
He's got the Apollo and the...
Nobody shoots an innocent pizza on my watch.
No,
Nerf,
nobody.
I hate you so bad.
Nobody.
This gun's not even accurate past 10 feet. Ah!
Oh.
Maybe.
Nerf edge strike.
I'll have better luck with this gun. I'm hungry. And I need to take my pizza to the hospital. Ah!
Oh.
That's
Yikes.
my pizza hand.
How dare you.
Looks like Daddy got his aim back with this rifle. Yes. I love your nerve.
No. You would not shoot the pizza lord.
Run. Oh, he got the other one. Oh.
2 for 2.
Oh.
Woo!
Hey, Darren, you're gonna die. You know that, right? He's gonna get that big gun.
Where do you hide them? Where do you hide?
Yeah, I'm nice.
Nerdy little toy guns.
Gotta go fast.
I know you
Gotta go
got
fast.
them,
No. Okay, I'm sorry. He's panicking.
Give up, Tommy. You're bleeding. You're wounded. It's over, man.
Hey, doesn't mean he won't win.
Why is there honey in the bathroom?
Oh my gosh.
There it is. That's where you hide it. Oh, mommies. I got you in your toys.
That hiding spot. Put it in the shower.
Finish you off now. Where are you hiding, huh?
Shower's gonna be spraying bullets.
You done good, Daddy
Nerf darts.
boy. You done good this time. Where are you hiding? Oh, I'm not hiding, Daddy.
It's like a modern minigun.
No,
Yep.
not my masterpiece.
He's gonna light you up with a Christmas tree. It's almost Christmas.
It's mine now.
Yep.
I
It's all
must say,
his.
it's pretty scary looking. It looks good. It looks real good.
You're gonna have holes in your
Not
body.
as good as my pizza before you shot at. I hit the box. Unos.
1,
Wait. Deuce. Wait.
2.
Look over there. A flying pizza.
Not gonna work.
Pizza.
Oh my gosh.
Subscribe now. If you love pizza as much as I do.
I love pizza.
Click like. If you think Danny got what he deserved,
Alright. Okay. That was a pretty good moment for Tommy there. Anyways, guys, that was for today's video. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the button. And also, make sure you watch the original video and subscribe to the channel if you want to support him a little more. And like always, see you next video. Peace out, guys.